आनी आतां पुराय खबरो. बुधवारा भाजपाची खासा मुद्द्यांचेर बसका जाली. कोळसो प्रदूषण, न्हंयाचें राष्ट्रीयकरण आनी मोपा विमानतळ हे मुखेल मुद्दे. पंचायत पांवड्यार पक्षाच्या निवडून आयिल्ल्या लोकप्रतिनिधींनी पंचायत पांवड्यार कोळसो आनी न्हंयांच्या बाबतीत जनतेक चुकीची म्हायती दिवन दिशाभूल करचे न्हय म्हूण मुखेलमंत्र्यान मागणी केल्या. आरडीएक्स वा चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
Because as you know, the government has taken up various developmental projects for the state of Goa. We are in a trajectory of growth every side, overall development of Goa. Seeing that the opposition is disturbed and the instigative attitude of the opposition is resulting in opposing even good measures like simple thing of protecting the rivers by dredging them in time, by they are calling it nationalization when actually there is no question of nationalization of the rivers. It is only in national interest. Several rivers have been chosen to be dredged, to be government is spending money so that it is navigable for transportation as well as beautification. So where is the sense in opposing it? Everybody, including the BJP, is opposed to pollution of all sorts, including coal pollution. But you cannot be against coal simply because you are against pollution. So both the things are sought to be dragged together, which is resulting in unnecessary, some panchayats also passing resolution. Tomorrow they will say because there is pollution because of vehicle, you can go travel in the bullock cart and you cannot travel in the motorable vehicles. Can that happen? Can we go backwards? So similarly, we must realize one thing. As far as progress is concerned, there will be little pollution, but that can be brought under control. Government never says it is for pollution. It is totally against pollution.
So what did the CM advise to its workers today?
CM advised most elected representatives and the Karyakartas, they are in Panchayats, they are in Zilla Parishad, all others who are present here, that they should tell and explain to the people the correct position. Don't simply get carried away by the negative tide which is sought to be created, which will work against the overall development of Goa.